Alrighty, to begin this video, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the color 362 Truffle. As I'm adjusting my hair, I'm putting the foundation on the area that needs it. I'm, by the way, using a flat foundation brush to apply my foundation. And I'm making sure that the foundation doesn't destroy my hair, because nothing hurt more than foundation gets in your hair. I'm gently going around my eyebrow and applying the foundation while I look in the mirror. If you see me looking on the side, it's because my mirror is on my side rather than in my front. And we're applying and applying. And I'm bringing it down my neck because I like when my foundation and my neck blends together. I just like when my face and my neck are the same color. Ladies, never forget the neck. The neck is an important component to eyebrow. And I go ahead and use my beauty blender to push this foundation into the skin. As you can see, I'm pushing it on my eyelid, my cupid bow, my cheekbone, and then I'm blending down my neck, as you can see, because you want to blend the foundation in your neck. And then I go ahead and blend it in my ears because you want the ears to match as well. And I'm going and blending my forehead. I'm just making sure that the foundation is just blended seamlessly, because I like when my foundation just blended seamlessly. And as you can see, I have a little friend here in my forehead. I just don't know why that keep happening. I would have 1 week my face has no pimple, and then the next week I'm covered with pimple. I'm not sure what's the issue here. It's just I struggle a lot with acne, pimple, dry lips. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but if somebody knows what's the issue here, let me know. And I had to adjust my camera. I feel like I was not showing a close interaction. And of course, I had something in my eyes and I had to remove it. It was a piece of paper. I don't know how it got there, but. And I'm just looking for in the mirror to see if I put the foundation in all the right area. And then I did go ahead and apply my concealer. And then I did use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, Age Rewind. And I'm putting it on my highlighted area. And then just because this is boring, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this process because I'm sure you guys don't need to see me blending my concealer for like 10 minutes. After I'm done applying it, I'm gonna go ahead and use another beauty blender, speed that process, and then you guys could see me blend in my concealer. By the way, this beauty blender, I purchased it at Target. I think I've mentioned that numerous times because it's my favorite beauty blender. I just feel like it gives me a really, really seamless blending. And then if you use your beauty blender a lot, one thing I realized, the more you use it, the more you wash it, the softer it gets. And then I look up to make sure that the concealer is blended really well, because I don't want my concealer to have like black line under my waterline. I just want to make sure to get inside all of my creases to blend this concealer, just so under my eye could be highlighted. And I was just talking with someone. That's why you see my mouth is moving, and what I'm saying doesn't probably match what I'm saying with my voiceover. We're blending. Honestly, blending is a key component to any good makeup, because I feel like when you blend, everything come out looking beautiful, you know. And then I'm trying really hard to not disturb my eyebrow because I put a lot of work on my eyebrow. and I did not want that to be disturbed. And I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer, because if I don't set my concealer, I feel like my makeup starts to crease, because I feel like I have dry skin, but then again, my face is always oily. I don't know, maybe I have combination skin, because my face get oily, but my body is always super dry, very dry. And then today I'm gonna go ham with my setting powder, just because that day I had to leave my makeup and my face for like 15 hours. So if I don't set my face in the next 3 hours, my face going to start to grease out. And then within 10 hours, there will be literally oil drop coming out of my face. And that is not cute, ladies. Not cute. And then we're pressing in the foundation, the face powder. And by the way, the powder I'm using, you guys, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 25, and I mix it with the Airspun powder. The powder is in the color translucent extra coverage, because I feel like the Maybelline Fit Me powder is a bit dark, and then the Airspun powder is a little bit light. And then what I like to do, I like to go in with the weird little brush. I don't know what this brush is called. And I pressed in the powder just so that the powder can sit inside of my face. Because I really like when my powder is like set. And then as you can see, my highlighted area is very bright. Don't worry, I'm going to fix this. And then I did go with the cream with the foundation to contour. I did use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 380 Espresso to contour, because I wanted to have a full glam today. I'm gonna use a creamy contour first, then on top of that go with the setting powder to set it, just because since it's creamy I don't want to walk around with creases. So we want to use a creamy, then a powder, because it is not cute, ladies, walking around with your face oily, like I said. And then I did use the Maybelline Super Stay powder in the color 375 Hava to set down my Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I use as a contour. And then I'm going to make a fishy face and then go ham with my contour, because I really like when my contour is deep. And then I did go ahead with the same beauty blender that I used to make sure that everything blended seamlessly together, because I felt like my face was too bright. And then I did apply my little dot off camera, and then do a few stuff in my face and pop my earrings. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the purple Maybelline lipstick. And it's matte, by the way, because I really like matte lipstick. I love glossy lipstick, but I think I prefer matte. As you can see. And then I did zoom in so that you guys could see me applying my lipstick. I don't usually use a eye pencil. You know how sometimes people use an eye pencil to do their lips first and then go over it with the lipstick. I don't do that, just because I'm very sloppy when it comes to using a eyeliner pencil first before applying my lipstick. I just cannot do it. And then I did do a mascara off camera, in case you guys didn't know. I did do that off camera. And then where I had the little pimple, I did use some eyeliner and put it in and pretend that it's a beauty mark, but it is not a beauty mark, ladies. I wasn't gonna apply eyeshadow, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna bring some eyeshadow because I wanted some color to my eyelid, because I felt like my eyelid was so boring. I wanted some excitement there. And then I used another flat brush to apply a purple eyeshadow. I wanted my makeup to be very purplish today. I was feeling purple. And as I'm doing this, I noticed it didn't pick out a lot of product with that brush. I think I'm gonna go ahead and switch with my hand, because I feel like this is not bringing definition. I'm not feeling this really, guys. I feel like this brush doesn't pop, make my eyeshadow pop. And then I did use my ring finger and apply. You see the difference? When I use my ring finger, I feel like it picks up more product, and then it's just pop even more. You know how beautiful that is. I feel like on camera it's showing it's pink, but it's actually purple. Yep, I would just apply with a finger. I did do the rest of camera just because I felt like it wasn't needed. And thank you guys for watching my channel. I will see you next time on my next video. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you and goodbye. See you next time.